Hey guys, Jared Fisher here, Director of Everything at Escape Adventures. A few years ago I went to the Yellowstone and Teton National Parks with some really good friends of mine, and we shot some of the greatest aerial video footage just outside the parks. I hope you really enjoy this. You'll get to see snippets of the Grand Canyon of the Yellowstone, the Snake River, Jenny Lake, Tetons in the background. Just absolutely beautiful scenery and some wildlife as well, some buffalo out on the road. Our company has been doing tours there for many years. We love doing tours there, but more importantly than that, we just love sharing the experience of these great outdoor locations we have in the Southwestern United States. So I hope you really enjoy it.